Hey, I'm AnotherCatLady. You might know me from Twitch. I've been streaming cozy diamond painting and other arts and crafts on Twitch for about 6 years. Now I'm trying a few things here on YouTube. A cozy little mixed bag of creative projects, a friendly jumble that doesn't always fit on Twitch. Think of it like my little creative junk drawer, calm photo walks around Germany, trying some recipes from my great-grandma's handwritten cookbook, and stash-based craft experiments. We will see where the road will take us. You will get my unfiltered, honest take, no sponsorship scripts, no gentle nudges to buy the next thing. I'm not here to de-influence, but I'm also not here to influence you. I just don't want to feed into the buying hamster wheel. I got so many art supplies, probably more than it's good for me, and I want to use them all and share the love and creativity here. Even if that probably will take forever. If it nudges you to use what you already own, that's lovely, or we simply make something cozy together and hang out. The world isn't always cozy, so let's just make it cozy. Thanks for being here. I would be honored if you would join me on the journey.